In this video, I want to talk about ads settings, and let me show you here what it is and why it is important. So basically, if you search for ad settings in Google, you can enter this page right here on the top. This is the address, and here you will find the customization of your ads, of the advertisement that you see in Google. So basically what happens here, well, sorry, this is in Italian, but you should find this in your own language, where here you can turn on and off the personalization or customization of the ads and of the information in Google. So basically here you can see, if you scroll down, all the different data that Google has been collecting from your searches. So basically they know, they guess what is your area of work, what is your sex and your age, and also all your interests. So they do kind of an algorithm that can track and record all of your preferences and actions in the web, so they can give it to some, well, they can basically create advertisement which will be more effective on you, and this will be of course something that many industries want, because they want to sell their products. So this is part of the settings that you will find in your personal area in Google. So you can use a VPN to become like private and do searches that become private and that will not be recorded in Google or any other search engine. Or you can use also the private, not just the private virtual network, and we talked about that topic into another video. But you can also use some browser that support like the private mode, so that you can access and you can also navigate in a more private way, but we don't really know if this is really private or not. And you can do this in Google as well. You can use the private navigation if you want to become, if you want to have more privacy, you want to protect your data. But I guess that, well, anything somewhere is always been stored for marketing purposes and so on. So basically, everything you do, well, actually, if you even use a virtual private network or a private navigation page, and then you access your Google account, that won't mean anything, because once you have access, they can track you anyway. So you don't have to access. And once you access, you have all these settings here. And for example, I can go to the account Google, and well, this is one of my accounts, and here I can see that I have this part called personalization and data customization, something like that. And here you can see that there are many things that have been recorded, like my activities on web and the app on my smartphone. And you can do this also in your smartphone. If you go into your browser and you type ad settings, you can access this through your smartphone or your tablet. Any device is good, just have to have an internet connection and a browser like Google, and you can just type this link here. And so here you can also check your YouTube chronology, so your YouTube history, whatever you did and you search in YouTube, and also where have you been. So this is an history of your position, so it's geolocalization, so they also know where you go and what places you visit and so on. So everything is stored and recorded, so to give you personalized advertisement, but probably also personalized news and personalized information, and this will like give you what you are asking. So it's not like something unbiased, but it becomes something just for you, and this will get you more radical ideas, more radical conventions that could be also dangerous and bad for you. So here you can see that you have all this area to customize your activity and chronology. You can open up here, you can check your activities, your chronology of the movements, and again you can see everything here. Everything is tracked, so basically they know everything about you and about your preference. If you want to limit that, you can go here and limit, but I think this will just limit a little bit. And I also suggest you a movie called Social Dilemma, where they talk about these algorithms, and so it's pretty interesting. And please subscribe to the channel here, check our other video guides, and also our playlists on softwares, on 3D software, video editing and compositing and so on. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.